Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Huda Ifenudu. I want to say a very big thank you to my new subscribers and to those who viewed my videos. I'll be doing a tutorial for a hair bun based on one of my previous videos. A viewer commented that I do a tutorial for the hair bun, so that's what I'll be doing today. So guys, please kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. So let's get started. The tools we'll be using for these tutorials are scissors. We'll be needing a rubber band too. We'll also be needing hair nets, that is the invisible hair nets. I think there are 3 pieces inside of each pack. We'll also be needing kinky extension and attachments. Any of the one you prefer, any of them, expression, and there are other names, so you just make your choice. It will still do the same thing. Also, you'll be needing a brush and yeah, basically that is what you need. And also you'll be needing bobby pins for this tutorial also to secure the hair when doing it. So I cut my expression into 6 parts and I'm just taking out one part. I just picked out of it. I've brushed and combed. I'm taking out a part of my kinky extension and rolling it into a small donut. So guys, depending on your choice, if you want a bigger size or if you want a smaller size, it's on you what you want. So when you secure it, make it round and kind of like equal in size. You pick up one of your invisible nets and secure it to prevent fallout when you're using it. So guys, just use the invisible net for it and tie it. Like, it really works and it helps a lot. You can use it several times without fallouts. So you secure it well and neatly, not too tight so it doesn't make your bun smaller. Then you arrange it well and you get your scissors. You get your scissors, you cut in the middle to create a round donut with holes. So this is me trying to bring out the hole and make it into a round donut. Guys, take your time for this and patiently do it. It's really easy to learn. And you get your bobby pin in the big size. Actually, you can do without bobby pins, but this is easier for me and faster for me, guys. Really fast, and it makes the work neater. I noticed that. So you try to put the pin and try to put it into the hole for the donut. It's more neater if you use a pin, but if you can also use your hand, I will say it again, you can go ahead and do that. Then you try to spread your attachments over the kinky hair donut that you just made. Try to make it very neat. I'll say it again, try to make it really neat. Like, it's better when it's neat and it looks more professional. So guys, please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Please guys, I would so much appreciate if you do that. So I'm still spreading the attachment over it and trying to make it as neat as possible. Please guys, kindly follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is ehbeautypro. So please guys, kindly follow me once again. So I'm picking up my rubber band and trying to secure it after combing and brushing well to make it as neat as possible. I'm securing it and making it very tight so it doesn't come off. That's it guys, I'm picking up my scissors now and cutting the left out attachment to make it more neat. So basically guys, you need 20 pieces of this hair bun to achieve what I did in my previous video. So another tip, if you want your hair bun to last longer, I'm picking up an invisible net again and placing it to secure the attachment so there are no fallouts and it lasts longer. So that's another tip I'm giving to you guys. And that's it, your hair bun is ready. So thank you so much for sticking by and watching this video. I'll be doing another video soon. I'll be dropping another video and it's going to be a bridal hair tutorial. So please guys, kindly anticipate, and thank you so much once again for watching my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much once again, and bye everyone.